Top skills to master for 2025 and beyond. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning (ML). Why it's crucial. AI and ML are transforming industries across the board. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, these technologies are at the forefront of innovation. How to learn. Online courses, Coursera, edX, Udacity, coding bootcamps, university degrees, and self-study resources are all viable options. Key concepts. Supervised learning. Algorithms learn from labeled data, for example, image classification. Unsupervised learning. Algorithms find patterns in unlabeled data, for example, customer segmentation. Deep learning, a subset of ML using artificial neural networks with multiple layers. Data science and analytics. Why it's crucial. Businesses are drowning in data. Data scientists and analysts are essential for extracting meaningful insights, making informed decisions, and identifying new opportunities. How to learn. Programming languages, Python, with libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn are. Data visualization tools, Tableau, Power BI. Statistical concepts, hypothesis testing, regression analysis, clustering. Key skills, data cleaning, data transformation, statistical modeling, data visualization, and communication of findings. Cybersecurity. Why it's crucial. With the increasing reliance on technology, cybersecurity threats are growing exponentially. Skilled cybersecurity professionals are in high demand to protect individuals, businesses, and critical infrastructure. How to learn. Online courses, certifications, CompTIA Security Plus CSP, and hands-on experience through internships, volunteering, or personal projects are valuable. Key areas: network security, threat intelligence, incident response, ethical hacking, and cloud security. Important note: these are just a few of the many valuable skills you could learn. The best skills for you will depend on your individual interests, career goals, and the specific demands of the job market in your region. Subscribe Insightful Ideas YTC for more.